Today I'll be showing you how to install these compatible toner cartridges in these compatible Brother MFC printers. Inside, there is the drum unit, which holds the toner cartridge. The toner cartridge contains the toner powder and attaches to the drum unit. Push the green tab down to release the toner cartridge from the drum unit. Then, pull out the old cartridge. Here, I have a new compatible Brother TN760 replacement toner cartridge, which is the high-yield version of TN730. Open your new cartridge over a wastebasket to avoid any leaks or spills. Carefully remove all tape and protective packaging. Slide the new TN760 cartridge into the drum unit. It should click securely into place when properly installed. Inside the drum unit is a thin Corona wire that needs to be cleaned each time you change the cartridge. This helps maintain print quality. Gently move the green tab side to side several times to clean the Corona wire inside the drum unit. This ensures optimal performance. Once the new cartridge is installed and wire cleaned, carefully slide the drum and toner unit fully back into the printer. Or, if you will be replacing the whole drum unit, just pull out the old drum unit using the green handle on the drum unit, then insert the new DR730 drum unit. Close the front cover completely before printing. Print a test page to make sure all the new cartridges are working properly. And that's it! You've successfully installed a new Brother TN730 toner cartridge. Now, you're ready to print.